Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade pickled cucumbers. First, select fresh, firm cucumbers, ideally about 3 to 5 inches long for the best texture. Next, ensure your canning jars and lids are thoroughly sterilized. This is crucial for food safety. Finally, gather all your ingredients, including vinegar, water, pickling salt, and your favorite spices like dill and garlic, before you begin. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a non-reactive pot, combine 1 part vinegar with 1 part water. For example, use 4 cups of vinegar and 4 cups of water. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of pickling salt for every quart of liquid. Stir well to dissolve the salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, ensuring all ingredients are fully incorporated and ready for the cucumbers. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the jars. Carefully place your prepared cucumbers into the sterilized jars, packing them as tightly as possible without crushing them. Now, add your chosen spices, such as a sprig of fresh dill, 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, or a pinch of red pepper flakes, directly into each jar. Finally, pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, leaving about 0.5 inches of headspace at the top. Almost done? Before sealing, gently tap the jars to release any trapped air bubbles. Use a clean cloth to wipe the jar rims thoroughly, ensuring a good seal. Place the lids and screw bands on, tightening them to fingertip tight. Process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. After processing, let them cool completely. Your delicious homemade pickled cucumbers will be ready to enjoy in a few weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.